What if I told you something that might shock you today? Something that affects nearly every senior man in the United States, but almost none of them notice until it's already happening? As you get older, your power begins to shrink. Not your height or anything explicit, but everything that makes you feel like a strong, confident, capable man. Your energy begins to shrink. Your stamina shrinks. Your drive shrinks. Your vitality shrinks. Your strength shrinks. Your motivation shrinks. Even your confidence, your hunger for life, your clarity, your masculine edge, they all begin shrinking year after year. And the most surprising part is that it doesn't happen dramatically or all at once. It happens slowly, silently, subtly, so subtly that many men wake up one day and realize they don't feel like the man they once were. They feel smaller inside, weaker inside, older inside, and they quietly wonder where their power went. But here's the truth I want every senior man to hear from me clearly right now. This shrinking of your male power is not irreversible. It is not permanent. It is not your destiny. And yes, even at 50, 60, 70, and beyond, you can rebuild your energy, your strength, your drive, your performance, your stamina, your confidence, and your entire masculine presence. Today, I, Dr. Jessica Morgan, am giving you a complete blueprint to reverse male decline and rebuild your vitality from the inside out. This is not surface-level advice. What you're about to receive is a full, deep, life-changing understanding of what happens to men as they age and exactly how to reverse it naturally, safely, effectively, and confidently. Let's talk about why senior men begin to shrink in the first place. As you age, the first thing that starts to weaken is circulation. Your blood vessels slowly become less flexible and your nitric oxide levels drop. This means your blood cannot move as powerfully or as efficiently as it used to. When circulation weakens, your muscles feel weaker, your brain feels slower, your energy feels lower, and your entire body operates like a machine that's not getting the fuel it needs. Men think this is simply aging, but it's really just declining circulation, something that can absolutely be reversed. Then testosterone begins to decrease. Most men don't realize how deeply testosterone affects their entire life. It affects their mood, their energy, their strength, their performance, their mental clarity, their motivation, their metabolism, and even their overall sense of identity. When testosterone starts shrinking, so does the man's inner fire. Suddenly, he doesn't feel as driven, as confident, as energized, or as ambitious. His ambition fades. His sharpness fades. His intensity fades. And for many men, this becomes a quiet, painful decline that they never talk about. But again, this decline is not final. It can be restored. Another force that shrinks a man's power is inactivity. The modern lifestyle, sitting for long hours, working at desks, driving long distances, staying indoors, slowly suffocates a man's circulation and weakens his muscles. Many senior men spend more time sitting than moving, and the body responds by reducing strength, reducing energy, and reducing vitality. Movement is life for a man. When movement decreases, power decreases. Belly fat also plays a surprising and destructive role. When belly fat increases, a man's hormones shift in the wrong direction. His body begins converting testosterone into estrogen. Suddenly, he feels more sluggish, more emotional, more tired, less motivated, and less powerful. His metabolism slows, his drive weakens, and his entire identity feels like it's shrinking from the inside. Many men blame themselves, but this is simply biology working against them, and it can absolutely be reversed with the right plan. Another factor that shrinks male power is stress. Senior men carry enormous emotional weight, responsibilities, bills, family pressure, health concerns, aging, uncertainty about the future. Stress releases cortisol, and cortisol destroys testosterone. It also drains energy, weakens mental strength, triggers anxiety, disrupts sleep, and slowly erodes a man's confidence. High cortisol is one of the biggest enemies of male vitality. Sleep decline is another hidden force. Most senior men sleep less deeply than they did when they were younger. They wake up often, sleep lighter, and stay tired throughout the day. Testosterone is produced during deep sleep, not during the day. So when sleep quality declines, testosterone declines. And when testosterone declines, everything declines. But sleep is fixable and can be rebuilt. Nutrient deficiencies are also incredibly common. Many senior men lack magnesium, zinc, vitamin D, omega-3s, and essential B vitamins. These deficiencies weaken energy, lower testosterone, slow metabolism, decrease mental clarity, and interfere with circulation. Fixing these deficiencies can dramatically restore power and vitality. Now that you understand why men shrink over time, let's talk about the blueprint to reverse it. The first step is restoring circulation. Your blood flow is the foundation of your power. If circulation improves, everything improves. One of the simplest ways to immediately support your circulation is to start your morning with warm water and lemon. This wakes up your digestive system, improves hydration, and helps your blood move more efficiently within minutes. After drinking this, spend 2 minutes taking deep, slow breaths. Deep breathing expands your blood vessels and sends oxygen rushing through your body, waking up your nervous system and boosting your energy. After that, move your body for at least 5 minutes. March in place, stretch your arms, rotate your shoulders, loosen your hips, or walk around your home. You don't need a full workout. You just need movement. Movement is the trigger that turns your circulation back on and sets the tone for your entire day. The second step is rebuilding testosterone naturally. Sunlight is one of the most powerful natural testosterone boosters. Just 5 to 10 minutes of morning sunlight can elevate your hormone balance, increase your energy, improve your mood, and strengthen your overall vitality. Your diet also plays a major role. Foods like eggs, ginger, nuts, spinach, pomegranate, oats, and lean meats support natural hormone production and metabolic strength. At the same time, avoid foods that weaken male power such as sugar, excessive alcohol, processed foods, and products stored in plastics. Reducing these foods can dramatically improve how a senior man feels in just a few weeks. The third step is eliminating belly fat. Not because of appearance, because belly fat destroys testosterone and slows down circulation. Belly fat produces inflammation and hormonal imbalance, making men feel tired, weak, and older than they are. One of the simplest ways to eliminate belly fat is walking. Walking for 20 to 30 minutes a day melts body fat, improves circulation, strengthens your heart, supports testosterone, and boosts your mood. Eating more protein also helps reduce fat by keeping you full longer, supporting muscle and stabilizing energy levels. Avoiding late-night eating is another powerful strategy because any calories consumed close to bedtime are more likely to be stored as fat. The fourth step is fixing your sleep. If you do not sleep deeply, you cannot restore your power. Testosterone is built during deep sleep. Energy is built during deep sleep. Mental clarity is built during deep sleep. Recovery is built during deep sleep. To improve sleep, reduce screen time before bed, create a cool and dark sleeping environment, avoid large meals late at night, and maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Magnesium can also help your body relax more easily and fall into deeper sleep cycles. The fifth step is reducing stress and controlling cortisol. When stress is high, testosterone falls. When testosterone falls, a man's entire world feels less powerful. To reduce stress, spend more time in peaceful environments, take walks outdoors, practice gratitude, talk through your emotions, limit exposure to stressful media, and incorporate slow breathing exercises into your daily routine. Even 10 minutes of daily relaxation can dramatically rebalance your hormones. The sixth step is building masculine power habits. You don't rise to the level of your motivation, you rise to the level of your habits. If your habits strengthen you, you become stronger. If your habits weaken you, you become weaker. Start your day early, drink water first thing, move your body, expose yourself to sunlight, eat clean foods, walk daily, rest at night, and maintain a strong routine. Masculinity is built through daily consistency. The final step is strengthening your male identity. This might be the most important part of the entire blueprint. If you do not change how you think about yourself, your physical changes will never be enough. Every morning, before anything else, tell yourself, I am a powerful man. Say it out loud. Feel it. Believe it. Claim it. You must see yourself as powerful again before your body can follow. Many men lose their identity long before they lose their physical strength. Reclaiming your male identity is the key to rebuilding your internal fire. I want you to understand something powerful. You do not have to keep shrinking. You do not have to accept the downward path of aging. You do not have to allow stress, belly fat, circulation issues, sleep problems, or hormone decline to steal your power as a man. You have the ability to change, rebuild, grow, and rise again. You have the ability to reverse decline. You have the ability to restore your strength. You have the ability to reclaim the man you once were, and even become stronger than before. I have worked with countless senior men in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and even 80s who have completely transformed their lives with this blueprint. I'm Dr. Jessica Morgan, and I encourage you to take this seriously. If you want a part 2, where I teach the complete senior men's daily lifestyle plan, a special vitality drink, a nighttime routine for hormone restoration, or even a full 7-day transformation program, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your comeback begins today.